Hello everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to create a smoky eye look using Pavez's mineral eyeshadow and the kajal eye pencils. I have already applied the eye makeup to my right eye. So now I'm going to show you that's the finished product, and this is what I look like without any eye makeup. So I'm going to take you step by step through how I applied my eye makeup. So preparation is the key. So I start off with using my hybrid foundation. This is the Sand, and I like to start off with this. I find it very useful in preparing any discoloration. Now you don't have to do this step, but I personally like to do that. So I just apply my hybrid Sand foundation to my eyelid first. Then I apply my eye primer, and this is really great. It makes the makeup stay on easier, and simply all you do, you put your finger in and you tap it onto the lid. So you just have to tap it on the lid. Now you're ready to apply your eye makeup. Now I'm going for a smoky eye, and I'm going to be applying 3 colors. So these are the 3 colors: Champagne, Mauve, and the brown eyeliner. I'm also going to be using the kajal pencils as well. So we're going to use these 3 colors. Now I'm going to start off with the Mauve. So this is the Mauve, and I'm going to use my medium eye brush. So this is the medium eye brush. This is the Mauve eyeshadow. And to use it, I just simply take a little bit out, dip it in, and stipple it on the eyes. Now I always apply my eye makeup on before I do the rest of my face for a reason, and it's worthwhile until you get the hang of applying mineral makeup. Then it's easier that way, and then you can always clean up. There we go. So I've applied now my Mauve eyeshadow, and you don't have to be perfect. We're going to use the blending brush afterwards. Next, I'm going to use my, I'm going to use the same brush actually, sorry. I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm going to be using the brown eyeliner as an eyeshadow. So it makes it a little bit more intense, but I love using it. So I'm just going to work on the outside, just apply a little bit on the outside of the eyelid and just wing it in a little bit. Now what I do, the Allure eye pencil is very similar in coloring to the brown eyeliner. So I'm going to use my Allure eye pencil underneath the eye. You could also bring the liner underneath as well. And I even add it into my waterline. I'll do that later. So that is my Allure eyeliner. You can see the color is getting close to what is on the other eye now. Now I'm going to get my Champagne, and I'm going to use the large eyeshadow brush. And again, get a little bit of the Champagne. It's one of my favorite colors. And I'm just going to apply it inside and on the middle, on the eyelid itself. And then I'm going to apply it underneath the eyebrow. Now I'm going to bring it all together using my blending brush. So I'm just going to blend it and use the blending brush underneath to bring to marry up the eyeliner with the outside of the eyes. So you can see that we're getting pretty close again. Now for the inside, I have the Snow White highlighter, which is here. And I also have the Snow White in a pencil form. So either or works well. I'm going to just use the pencil now. So all I do is I draw underneath. And you can do on the inside a little bit of the eyelid. And I'll just do a little bit more here. And then you can use your finger to blend it. And that just opens up the eye. To finish up, I'm just going to add a little bit of the kajal to the waterline. This is very good for sensitive skin, this pencil is. There we go. To clean up, if I feel that anything has dropped down, being mineral makeup, I just use a little bit of the cleansing on a pad and just wipe underneath. It also sharpens up any edge, so it makes like a little bit of a line. Oh, the other thing I almost forgot, you can use the kajal pencil as an eyeliner. So just put a little bit on there. Again, you don't have to be, we're not doing a straight line here. And again, using my blending brush just. And then the finishing touch is the mascara. So here is our Pavez Mascara. We also sell a cake mascara, which is actually what I usually prefer to use. But today we're going to just use and you can just thicken it up underneath. And you can do that a few times depending on how thick you would like your eyelashes to be. So that is an example of a nice smoky eye look with the eyebrow pencil of the brunette with the taupe eyebrow powder on the eyebrows.